What's up everyone? Today I'm here to talk about one of the first semi-stationary tools that new woodworkers purchased, the miter saws. They are also known as chop saws among professionals. With a miter saw, you can make repeated cuts with same length as well as accurate bevel and angle cuts, which are necessary tasks to do almost all kinds of woodworking applications. Some of these tools deliver the power from the motor to the cutting blade using gears like 5100 and 5301, while others use a belting system to do so, like 5303, 5302 and 5103. Which will result in more accuracy and less vibration. Ronix miter saws can also be categorized according to being a sliding or compound, which basically means the cutting blade can move along the base or not. The cutting accuracy in most of the miter saws is not really acceptable, especially when it comes to cutting longer workpieces. But Ronix miter saws are as accurate as a sniper because they're equipped with standard size linear motion bearings in their sliding rails and longer arms. Extension bars, fences, and adjustable clamps are other reasons to consider these miter saws one of the most accurate ones in the market. I'm gonna put this accuracy in test by cutting 4 pieces of wood with 45-degree angle to see if they can make a complete square.